Well, whether you're a history buff or a fan of the movie, a new attraction downtown tells the story of the Titanic through an immersive experience. Jen Franciotti takes us on board the ship.
This is the side of the ship. This is the D-deck door. So this is all recreated from the original builder's plans.
Inside the power plant at Pier 5, an impressive exhibit that puts you on board the Titanic from the minute you step through the doors.
Throughout the experience, we have these portholes that have wireless messages the Titanic was sending throughout her journey.
John Zoller is the creator of Titanic and Immersive Voyage. It will take you from the ship's beginnings to the moment it hits the iceberg and sinks to the ocean floor.
We have taken it and transformed it into the Titanic story like you've never experienced it before.
Adding to the magic, the power plant's 4 giant smokestacks mirror the Titanic's 4 funnels. And throughout 2 floors, you'll walk through room recreations that make you feel like you are there, from the distress signal to the artifacts, both real and movie replicas.
We have over 200 artifacts in the exhibition. You're going to stand in front of the grand staircase. You're going to explore the ship in all of its glory.
And the exhibit is immersive. In this room, you can sit in a full-size lifeboat and watch the Titanic's final hours.
And that really creates this moment where you are transformed into a passenger. We do give you a boarding pass at the beginning of the experience where you become a passenger, but this really completes that transformation.
And you can board a virtual submarine that will take you to the Titanic's wreckage site more than 2.5 miles deep into the ocean.
And see the Titanic wreck better than if you dove it yourself in a submersible. I've done a lot of Titanic exhibitions around the world, and this is my favorite installation of all.
And of course, what would the experience be without a photo op? You get an incredible history lesson, but some movie magic too.
The experience will take you anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half to go through. It's open every day except for Tuesdays, and it should be here for at least the next 6 months. On board the Titanic, Jen Franciotti, WBAL TV 11 News.